Are you struggling to gain weight healthily? It's a common issue for many, but don't worry, there's a solution. The journey to healthy weight gain starts with understanding that it's not just about piling on the pounds, but doing so in a way that benefits your overall health. To start, you've got to consume more calories than your body burns. It's a simple equation, really. For steady weight gain, aim to consume 300 to 500 calories more than what your body burns daily. And if you're aiming for a more rapid weight gain, you might need to consume up to 1,000 calories more per day. However, keep in mind that many people underestimate the number of calories they consume each day. So, it might be helpful to keep track of your daily calorie intake over a period of 2 to 3 weeks. Now on to the next step, meals. Eating at least 3 meals a day can make it easier to increase calorie intake. And don't forget those snacks in between. They can help increase the number of calories in your diet too. And of course, you can't forget about exercise. Weight training at least 3 times a week is essential for healthy weight gain. This will help in gaining and maintaining lean muscle mass. And remember, to keep gaining lean body mass, you need to vary and develop your workouts by increasing either the weight you lift or the number of reps or sets. In terms of diet, protein is your best friend. A diet rich in protein, combined with regular weight training, will help increase your muscle mass. Foods high in protein include eggs, meats, fish, nuts, and legumes. Now, don't overlook the importance of fibrous carbohydrates and healthful fats. Including foods rich in these in every meal will help to increase the number of both calories and nutrients in your diet. And remember, distinguish between healthful and unhealthful fats. Aim for monounsaturated or polyunsaturated fats, which occur in foods such as nuts, avocado, vegetable oils, and fish. And for those with a small appetite, high-calorie smoothies or shakes can be a great option. They provide nutrient-dense calories without making you feel overly full. Remember, when aiming for weight gain, it's not just about the scale. Cardiovascular exercise is vital for maintaining a healthy heart, lungs, and brain. Running, swimming, and cycling are all good ways to get a cardiovascular workout. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to healthy weight gain. Remember, it's not just about consuming more calories, but doing so in a way that benefits your overall health. Keep a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and most importantly, listen to your body. It's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step.